Hey, good evening. I am Devi Seshatri, mentor, life coach, principal consultant, counselor. Every day, my WhatsApp group, I am doing the voice track motivational messages. The motivational messages sometimes inspirational stories, sometimes it's a quotations. All my quotations are stories, very thought provoking and very inspiration. I hope most of my followers like my choice stories and quotations, which helps them, guides them every day in the morning. Set mood. Setting a mood once you get up in the morning is very important. Therefore, set mood. Master the morning, master the life. Everyday morning, the 30 minutes is very crucial time. If you know the secrets of managing that 30 minutes with complete of ease of peace and happiness, the whole day you can handle and carry forward the happiness. Wherever you go, you spread that positive energy. Therefore, the life become masters, meaning ease. My firm name is Ease, N11 Art School of Energy. The abbreviation is Ease, EASE. Live. So, Live Ease. So, Live is the organization where I do counseling of personal relationship, family relationship, official relationship, depression, so on and so forth. And I do healing. I'm a therapist. I use Reiki technique. So, Reiki is the alternative medicine, universal life energy, which definitely helps every human being life how to handle self and how to balance life. So therefore, the organization name is Live Ease. So my mentoring program is Live Ease Grant. Being a principal consultant, I do business consulting, end-to-end solution for business consulting. So the multiple of activities. D Skill Grant. The skill grant is the overall organization perspective. This is just an introduction about self and organization. Let me take you the short story. This is very inspirational story, and this story communicating messages of not one, too many messages and too many morals. Because we human beings are great creation. Though human beings are the great creation, most of the people forget the creation purpose. They conduct themselves like this story. How the girl behaved. So, human being life, I strongly believe, is how you conduct your own self, how you behave. When I talk about behave is consist of ethics, manners, self-discipline. These things very important, and very prayer important is gratitude. When gratitude come, when you have admire, when admiration has come, when you have respect. So respect and regards with love make the complete human being. So the story goes like this. There was a blind girl who hated herself purely for the fact she was blind. The only person she did not hate was her loving boyfriend. The only person she did not hate was her loving boyfriend, as he was always there for her. Why she don't hate? She is a blind and the boy is always with her. She said if she could only see the world, she would marry him. So she is discussing and expressing her wish. How she said that if she could only see the world, she would marry him. One day, someone donated a pair of eyes to her. One day, someone donated a pair of eyes to her. Now, she could see everything. Now, she could see everything, including her boyfriend. Her boyfriend asked her, now that you can see the world, will you marry me? So she only expressed her wishes, right? So boyfriend has asked, now that you can see the world, will you marry me? The girl was shocked when she saw that her boyfriend was blind too. She had a huge shock when she could able to see the world. The first she is seeing her boyfriend and boyfriend is blind. She was shocked and refused to marry him. Her boyfriend walked away in tears and later wrote a letter to her saying, this is very touching letter, and the boyfriend dropped the letter. This is one statement. Just take care of my eyes, dear. Just take care of my eyes, dear. So, moral of the story. When our circumstances change, so does our mind. Some people may not be able to see the way things were there before. Some people may not be able to see the things were before and might not be able to appreciate them. There are many things to take away from this story, not just one. This is one of the inspirational short story that left me speechless. Very inspirational, and the moral. Able to appreciate them. The moral is might not be able to appreciate them and refusing when our circumstance changes. This is what most of the human being doing, conducting themselves. Devi Seshadri signing off now. Mentor, life coach, principal consultant, counselor. You can follow me Facebook, Twitter, Insta, WhatsApp, email, so on and so forth. Thank you. See you with another inspirational story. Bye bye.